Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back! Today we are finishing off issue 28 of our Ecto-1 build. And look at that! We have us a rear fender. Doesn't look like too many parts, but we're getting started on what's left of the exterior. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in here and see what we got. Okay, y'all, here are the parts we get with this stage, and I gotta tell you, this stage sucks. It really does. We have the right rear fender and the right rear fender skirt, and a couple of screws, 3 to be specific, but they always give 1 spare. So there's only gonna be 2 screws used. And the basic concept is we take the skirt, we plug it in there, and then we screw it in. And that is it. That is the entire stage. I know Eagle Moss designed this, and it's quite clear from this, because they could have molded this. There's no reason that this had to be 2 separate pieces. This could have been molded. The only reason they did was to make this an extra step. And they could say they have another stage. Ooh. And of course, you know, they're gonna do it again when we get to the left fender. I know Fan Home owns this, and I know they're just doing a like for like here, so I can't really blame them, but every day it seems like I have another reason to be happy Eagle Moss is out of business. That's unfortunate. And that right there is it. So according to the timer on my camera, 1 minute and 30 seconds while talking, and we have completed stage 106. Well, that of course means it is the end of the video. Hopefully next go around we'll get something a little more involved. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.